friends, what's up? This is Arcade from 360 Reader. Right now I'm going to show how to edit PDFs in the Files app on iPhone or iPad running iOS 15 or iPadOS 15. Up until iOS 14, the Files app has offered the ability to view, markup and share PDFs, but hasn't allowed the option to more fully edit PDFs directly on iPhone and iPad like you can do with third-party apps. Now iOS 15 and iPadOS 15 bring the convenient functionality to quickly edit PDFs on iPhone and iPad with just a couple of taps. That said, let's learn how to edit PDFs in the Files app on iPhone and iPad. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. To get going, launch Files app on your iPhone or iPad, then head over to the PDF file that you want to edit. Now from the left edge of your iPhone, swipe to the right to see the thumbnail page view. It's worth pointing out that the thumbnail page view will appear automatically on the iPad running iPadOS 15. Then press and hold on a page or tap a page twice to open the edit menu. Next, you can rotate, insert blank or pages from files, scan in new pages or even delete pages. If you add a blank page, need to fill out a form or more, you can use the markup tools. Then tap done to save your changes. It's worth noting that you will see the page you have selected at the top, followed by rotate left, rotate right, insert blank page, insert from file, scan pages or even delete pages. When you want to save your edits, make sure to tap done button in the top left corner of the screen. And with markup, it's pretty easy to add things like a signature, text box to fill out forms, magnifier and shift. Just tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner of the markup toolbox and then do the needful. The new Files app PDF editing in iOS 15 and iPadOS 15 may not replace more powerful software like Adobe Acrobat and PDF Paint, but it has got enough to be a pretty handy PDF editor for iPhone and iPad. Now that you know how this useful feature works, make the most of it to edit PDF files with ease on your iPhone or iPad. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such helpful tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.